Hello and welcome to my presentation on why I believe we can take a deeper dive into JJ Aquatics and see how we can take them to the next step and the next level digitally in their business. To give a brief rundown or overview of the company, JJ Aquatics is looking to generate a bigger customer base by expanding into the digital social media marketing era. With this, we hope to attract more customers and grow the base with a strong customers. Some of the ideas that I might run through would be a web page, Twitter page, Instagram page to start. With the page online, we can get a foothold into the digital media industry and into our customers' minds. The theory is that customers from far and wide will be able to view said web or social media pages to better understand and get to know JJ Aquatics on another level. To introduce JJ Aquatics more, JJ Aquatics is a company that makes and produces custom fish tanks available to the public. They specialize in making tanks from scratch and will help you with any additional information or questions you might have. They are based in St. Petersburg, Florida, and they are run by natives of St. Pete. To give a brief introduction, my idea to improve JJ Aquatics' presence online to drive more customers is to design or create a home web page for the company to use is setting the standard. The web page will contain information desired by a company and its customers. Another idea would be social media pages, which will have more info as well as company statements and will allow them to interact better with their customers on a day-to-day basis. In today's day and age, more and more companies are shifting online instead of local, and it grows them a faster and stronger and wider customer base than if they were just locally owned. As of right now, JJ Aquatics is currently run by their CEO and just a couple employees. They do not employ the use of any digital presence at all, and it's basically causing a lack of growth in their customer base, and they're at a loss as to why this is happening besides maybe the social media is lacking. Some of the key success factors is businesses that employ the use of social media tend to do way better than businesses that are still lacking behind in the pre-digital presence era. Also, companies that have their own websites usually tend to sell more products than just store-based customers. Might be happening because not everyone is available to always go to the store in person, whereas if they have a digital page, customers can always go there and order it from anywhere. One of the most popular sites for all businesses, like the company JJ Aquatics, happens to be Facebook, which can be accessed by a wide variety of users from all around the world, and it's very handy for businesses. After analyzing the situation, I came away with two ideas to improve upon JJ Aquatics. One would be the personalized web page that houses all the information and imaging, or two would be a strong social media presence on Twitter or Instagram that allows the company to share photos and text. Option one would be the website, which would be the most clear and concise solution for the problem at hand. Lack of customers is the issue, and solving it through a website would be very easy and manageable by people just running the website on a day-to-day basis. It's useful in many ways for customers, like getting pricing, dates, general information. It can help explain products or services offered in greater detail than just hand-to-hand or mouth-to-mouth. One of the risks of operating through a website, though, is robotic responses, which means it's a one-size-fits-all answer, and not every customer is going to have the same exact question, so that might be a flaw. Another risk may be the response time, since it's not run solely by itself. People that might have to do improvements upon the website may take longer to find questions or wrong information. The second option I've come up with would be a Twitter Instagram page. With social media being very popular these days, having a business presence on social media is essential for businesses. A Twitter page will allow JJ Aquatics to become more active with customers and post text-based and reply to their customers. On the other hand, the Instagram page would allow JJ Aquatics to upload photos of their products or projects that are still ongoing and allow customers to view them and comment upon them. Social media is a tool that businesses use to forego social formal talk. But however, one of the risks of operating through Twitter is being hacked. Same with Instagram, because any social media page is vulnerable to hackers who may post malicious information. My final conclusion and recommendation is that the most logical operation or option for JJ Aquatics to improve upon their customer base and grow even more would be to open a website. The website would allow for all of JJ Aquatics information and pricing to be clearly published and displayed to all customers accessing, and any questions can be answered with the information through Q&A forums on the website, while customers and friends can share the website with their immediate family or their immediate friends in turn, which will bring in more customers and grow their base and solve the issue. And here I just listed some of my references in case you want to check anything out. And that's it. Thank you for tuning into my presentation. Hope everyone has a great day, and see you later.